Well, today I had to fix this broken thread on our set of brick steps. And it was so bright because it was brand new, I painted it with mud. I'm going to show you how I did that. So here we go. Well, today's job is going to be a very simple job. We have a cracked stone here. None of the other things are cracked. So that's telling me that it's probably in the stone. The stone got loose and they dropped something on it. So we're just going to take it off and take a look at it. So I'm just going to take this off. It ain't too heavy. Here. Now, I can tell you right now, that's going to come right off of there. These are older brick, there's no holes in them. So it's going to come right off of there. See, all this stuff is rotted. All this stuff, when you use mortar in Pennsylvania, it rots away and falls apart. No matter what you do, the whole thing, it's like plumbing. Cinder blocks are rotting. This stuff's rotting. Well, I was lucky. This all came off, but if it was real hard on there, I would have used a grinder like that and ground it down and then just use a thin piece of cement. But I got lucky. Now I'm going to mix for those steps. So my ingredients is 1 of masonry sand. And let's say 1/3 of the dark mortar. This is black mortar. They don't put it on the bag. You got to guess anymore. And then Pennsylvania, I always add Portland. That's about a half of it. About a little bit of Portland, shovel full. That's half. Put that in. Mix it up. There we go. Just about like that. Now, back with the cement. Put it in here. Through. Now, when we're doing something like this, we want to get us what we call a little sample going here so we can measure. You can see where I'm at. I got 7 and a little more than a half there. I got 8 1/4 there. See, all these steps are different. This one's 7 3/4. The other one's 8. The other one's 8 1/4. So I want to get somewhere. This is 8 1/2. That's 8 1/4. So I want to get somewhere in the middle. And take it down a little bit. Like that. Now let's see where we're at. 8, 8. See, right in the middle. And I got my little pitch. That's how we're doing it. Same thing over here. Let's see, we got 8, 8 1/2. Can't do that. 8 1/4, 8 1/4. So now I want to go from point to point, just like that. Point to point. Okay, right up. Okay, right there. Let's See where we're at. That way. Now we gotta measure. 8. 8 a little bit. 8. 8 a little bit. 8. Okay. Okay, same thing. That's it. Now I just fill in behind it. So now I'm just filling it behind it, trying to not get the brick dirty. That's the secret. We don't want to get the brick dirty, but we want to fill in behind it. See that? Get the brick dirty. Now we get some clean water. Get the sponge. Make sure you wring the sponge out good. And then just go over the stone. A little bit in the stone and the cement. You see? Get that off of there. We're going to do a little trick here at the end. You want to hit the brick because the brick is the hard thing getting off. The stone, we could sand that. See? Clean that right up. Then we gotta get underneath here, make sure this all matches up, maybe fix a couple of these joints that are missing. You gotta do what you gotta do, see that? Just like that, fix them all up. I'm fixing the steps and I might as well patch some of these holes up. Like I said, just wire brush it out of there, then brush out what you can brush out, and then just get the sponge. This case I'm going to use a little water. I want it to stick, see, and then just push it down in there like that. Not going to do much except keeping the snow and ice and rain from building up behind it. That's all I'm doing. Okay, now we're just sponging it up. That's it. Well, I got it all pointed up, but we got one little problem. They don't make that kind of limestone no more. This is only the white Indiana limestone. So how are we going to disguise that? I'm going to show you. I just got some regular dirt. See the dirt? I'm just going to get my sponge, put some water in there, and stir that dirt up. Make a mud out of it. That's what I'm doing. Not too much. Just perfect. And get that mud, and I'm going to go around the stone. Kind of push it into the stone. You see that? What that's doing, that's darkening that stone. It's going to look like the rest of it. No big deal. Matter of fact, you can do it a few times if you want. See that? Now we're matching the other stone a little bit. Let that dirt sink into there. And that's it. It matches the rest of the steps going up. Everybody's wondering what Honest Mike is up to today.
Okay, Mr. Haduck, you're next for your social distance haircut. Want to have a seat in the chair?
Okay, Honest Mike, $5. You can't beat that.
You can.
Okay.